There are a lot of people that start in the house cleaning business as cleaning business owners and also homeowners that when they first get started, they think all cleaning chemicals do what the labels promise. And I'm curious, is that true?
Well, I think there was really a need for a label like this in the marketplace so that you could look beyond claims of saying, that a product is green or something like that to really be very specific about what the promises are for that label. So the safer choice, I'll show you, we're not talking about a particular brand here. We're talking about a label. So this is a little mock up bottle. It isn't an actual like actual cleaning product, but you can see the label here and when you're at the store, you can see it just as just a little label that is either on the front of the product, which is where we like to see it, or sometimes on the back. And that label means that the product is made with safer ingredients for people, for the planet, and that it's tested to be other. There you go. There's an example of it on a product. I'm supposed to do endorse particular products, so I couldn't hold one up. But so I'm sure that a lot of your followers here, people tuning in, have probably have some safer choice products or safer choice certified products in their homes within their businesses already. And maybe you could do a little inventory of what you have already to see what's there. But when these products carry the label, it means that they meet EPA's highest standard for ingredient safety, performance, and packaging as well. So we have nearly 2,000 products that are currently certified products that are currently on store shelves at a variety of price points that cover nearly all of your household cleaning needs. And you have a variety of brands to choose from.